Charlie. Well, there he is.
Wow, okay, Charlie. All right, give us a spin.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. You look really good.
I have a great stylist. Come on. I'm gonna be late.
Where's Jenny?
You think she's still inside getting ready?
Here, let me fix this. I'm really happy you could be here for this.
Me too.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
Hi. Hello. Can I have one cookie, please?
Charlie! Looking sharp.
Thank you, sir.
Steph, I want you to meet Jenny's dad, Dr. Reddick.
Hey,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
You too. We just adore Charlie. And I understand he's quite the lifesaver.
Oh, yeah, you heard about that. He, brought me back from the dead.
Yeah.
What?
Well, technically you weren't dead.
What?
But, I mean, if you were unconscious and Charlie got you breathing again, then your heart didn't stop. But regardless, way to go, Charlie.
So she wasn't dead?
Exactly.
She was lucky Charlie was there.
Yep. And everything happens for a reason.
Sweetie, you look like $1,000,000.
Steph.
Oh my God, that was close.
You okay?
Yeah.
You know you make me wanna